Hi everyone, I'm Dan from Curious Animal. I'm just going to show you quickly how to use our new Falloff sampler shader. It works by taking the Falloff from any effector in your scene. I'm going to set this one to linear Falloff. I'll just scale it down a bit to make it really obvious what's going on. Rotate that around there. It takes that Falloff and puts it in a shader in one of your materials. So I'll create a new material, open that up, and grab the settings over here. I'm going to use luminance to make it really obvious for this example, but you can use any of the other channels. In the texture drop down here, we've got Falloff sampler shader, so select that, click on here to go into the options, and then drag our effector that we want to use the Falloff from into this effector link. Okay, so that's all we need for the shader, so we can close that, make sure our shader is on the object. Now I render that. I've got a gradient that's made by the Falloff rendered onto our object. So if we can rotate this around to change the gradient pretty easily. It also means we can change the shape of the gradient, so you can get a cone, for example. If I pull this out here a bit, you can probably see that a bit more clearly. So there we go, we've got a kind of cone gradient built into our object. One other cool thing, if you have our noise Falloff plugin, you can add noise to your gradients using that. So in the plane here, I'm going to set this now to noise Falloff, dragging that original one, take up the scale a bit to make it clearer, and the strength. And so now we've got a bit of noise in there, and you can change that to any of the different types of noise available in the noise Falloff plugin. That's how you use it. You can get some more information at www.curiousanimal.tv. Thanks.